upper part go. Good, right in there. Good. Excellent. All right, so you were telling me that yesterday you were cleaning the floors, and you left that area that you were cleaning, came back, it was still wet, but you slipped, forgot about that, and came right down on your tailbone, right?
In my tailbone, yes, that's correct.
Yeah, so right through here.
Yes.
And then you've been having level pain of 10 whenever you sit down or drive, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, so what we're going to do is we checked that already a little bit. We're going to take an X-ray, and then we're going to go out there and we're going to check the whole spine.
Okay.
And then what we'll do is we're aligning the spinal bones that we find that are out. Okay?
Okay, perfect.
So let's go ahead and take an X-ray right now. Step to your left a little bit. Okay. Now move. Tender right here? Or is it more tender
Right there.
right there? Okay. And just relax those knees, let them bend. Good. Now, do you feel any pressure in that low back?
No, not much.
Not very much. Okay. Can you do a straight leg raise on this? Lift the whole leg?
Oh.
And is that hard to do that?
Oh, yes, a little bit.
So it hurts in here?
Like more to the bottom.
So right here? Does it hurt right in the middle?
Yes.
Okay. Relax. We'll try this side. Which side's harder to do?
This one.
So when you do that, what do you feel?
Pain.
Right here?
Yes, like more like right here.
Right
and when
in
I
there.
do this one, I feel more right here.
Got it. Okay. So it looks like that this spinal bone here, the lower lumbar, L5, has gone posterior. Also, you have a transition area up here at L1. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a correction in here and correct that and get the pressure off the nerve. So what I expect is that we're going to adjust this area. We'll get that bone moving better to where you get releases that nerve pressure, so then that swelling that's all through this area will have a chance to start dissipating. Okay? So we're gonna expect that these legs will start working a little better right away, okay? So first thing, we're gonna get this area, feel that? It's real light. Just gonna come in and just make a correction. Good, feel that? Good. You see it rotates all the way up here. So we're gonna make another adjustment right here. Real easy. Excellent. You can feel the spasm right in there, right? Right there. So we're gonna have you lie on your right side and face me. And I'm gonna pull this down a little bit, so we're gonna slide this way a little bit. Right there. Right there, good. All the way down there, you can feel that, right?
Right there, yes.
That's where it kind of bruised off the tailbone, but it's actually jarred that lower lumbar out of alignment. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to bring it just right in here. It's not going to be a lot of twisting. All we're going to do is just set that bone. Is that okay there?
Okay, that's fine.
Right there. It's real light. We're just going to bring it right up over this way. So just let that upper part go. Good. Right in there. Good. Excellent. Feel that motion there? Yeah, that's perfect. Good. On your back. Now we're just gonna remember that one I found right up in this area, right there. You can feel that little swelling up there. So we're gonna take care of that one too. So take that. Beautiful. Excellent. Now I want you to turn to your side and then go ahead and get up. So you'll be a little more comfortable that way. And bring that arm, there we go. Now draw your belly button in, and then go ahead and stand up. Let's go for a little walk up and down here. How you doing?
Yeah, there's more, less pressure in the back.
Less pressure. Good.
Less pressure.
Good. So the reason why we have you walking is because I want to get that joint moving, because there's a big area that's all swollen. So go ahead and keep walking right here. And since we moved that bone, it's moving better, so it'll start draining out. Feeling a little better?
Oh yes, yes. I was afraid to walk a while ago, because it was like, feel like I was putting more pressure in there.
Now what does it feel like?
It feels more relaxed. It's just doesn't feel. It used to feel like a ball behind between my back right here.
Yeah.
And now I don't feel that.
Excellent.
You know, so that's
Perfect. Okay, good. So
Hopefully.
your body's in a good position right now. All right, so let's just do that for right now.
okay.
And then you can go ahead, because you're actually in a healing position. That bone's off the nerve.
Mhm.
Now it's in a healing position. Just keep the motion in, and we'll recheck that tomorrow, okay?
Okay, perfect.
All right, power's on. Good job.
Thank you.